Hey, Julie, spoke with Bridget over there. She's said to send this video your way. It's a custom video on how to improve your online presence, some tips and tricks on how to do that. If you decide to implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. If you decide you need help with further implementation, would be happy to help you with that. Either way, would appreciate your feedback. So, without further ado, go ahead and tell you about those three things. We're going to talk about content, citations, and links. So I pulled up your website. Looks really good. Kind of expected since you have a lot of locations in multiple states. Um, I did notice that you guys do pest control and lawn care. So when I was looking up your business as far as the Huntsville branch specifically, I just wanted to point out a couple of things and then we'll go right into citations. As far as the lawn care aspect of it, when I type in lawn care Huntsville, Alabama, you guys are showing up in the Google guaranteed or Google screened area, which is great. You guys know about that. That's good. And then going into the map listing area, you guys don't show up until closer to position 8 or 9 on this. And this has to do with one of the key ranking factors for this is citations. And all a citation is, if you don't already know, is your business information listed on directories like Yelp, Mana, Yellow Pages, Angie's, or even Facebook, for example. But that is one of the key ranking factors for here. And I did notice you guys have a good bit of reviews. So going on down the list to show you, you got, again, you guys are in that Google guaranteed up here, which is good. Good. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there you guys are at the number 9 spot. Um, Again, one of the key ranking factors is citations. You guys are doing good as far as the reviews part and the fact that you're showing that you're posting on a regular basis. Citations is really what you guys are missing right now, and you want to go out and get all the citations that these companies have that your branch doesn't, and then you want to go and add on top of that additional citations so you can really solidify your position here, because here you've got some another business same amount of time in the industry as you here, less reviews than you, but they're ranking up here, and one of those key factors is citations. Going back, content is the next thing. Content is king as far as Google is concerned. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words or more worth of content on your home page in some form or fashion. So it gives you an opportunity to put keywords or keyword phrases that are helping you rank in the areas you're trying to rank for, and to show relevancy in your area. So you guys are ranking number 1 here. So clearly you guys get it in that capacity. That's great. Looking at your website, it is very nice. Totally expected of a bigger organization like yours. Clear what you guys do. The one part that's kind of fallen short again as far as Huntsville area is you guys do pest control. I already showed you the lawn care side of it, but if I just do pest control Huntsville, you guys don't show up in the Mac pack at all for pest control here. And I couldn't find you on the first page as far as content is related to that. So it might not be your primary service, but I'm sure it's something that adds to your bottom line if you guys are able to rank for it more. So something to consider. So I pulled up one of your top competitors for lawn care and one of your top competitors for pest control, just to kind of give you an idea of what they're doing in the Huntsville area. If you're not already doing it, anytime there's an image or display box like this, you can actually re-describe these as keywords or keyword phrases to help you have put more keywords into your text to help you rank for those words. And I'll show you how they do that in just a minute. Uh, Again, Cook's Pest Control, big company, similar, like they have a good amount of branches like you guys, but they specialize in pest control. Not They don't do the lawn care side of it. Guarantee you that they are putting re-describing these images, and they are putting keywords and keyword phrases behind them. I'm going to show you here in just a second. What I did was I took your website and the Cook's Pest Control and the ground care guys, and I put their information into a tool I use called Ahrefs. And taking a look at yours first, we're going to talk about links. Links are basically like one big popularity contest when it comes to Google. They're not all created equal. So if you have links from, say, a church or a hospital website pointing back to your business, it's not going to do you as many favors or give you as much popularity to Google as if, say, another lawn care company or, say, a lawn care directory is saying, yeah, you guys do really good work. You should really continue to do business with them. So looking at yours first, you have 5,400 links coming from 175 different websites. You are ranking for 7,500 keywords and in the top 3 for 102 of those keywords. And that's getting you guys about almost 6,000 people every month coming to your website. That's for all of your various locations. Looking at Cook Pest Control, 7,100 backlinks, and they actually have quite a few locations, so this is going to be interesting. 7,100 backlinks coming from 572 websites. They are ranking for over 10,000 keywords. They're in the top 3 for 423 of those. And you can see they're getting almost 20,000 people every month to their website. So you don't need to go and get all 7,100 backlinks that they have, but you do want to get the ones that are relevant to the areas that you guys overlap in as far as what you serve, so you can get your part of the traffic that you guys are missing out on, in particular for the Huntsville branch. Again, looking at the grounds guys, they got a lot of different locations. They got a lot to look at. 34,000 backlinks coming from 1,300 websites. They are ranking for 52,000 keywords. That's generating them 103,000 traffic. Now, again, you just want to get the links that are relevant to the areas that you're serving, that grounds guys are also serving, so you can get your part of the 103,000 traffic that you're potentially missing out on. And this was a lawn care business versus a pest control business, so you're missing out on a little bit from the pest control side, and you're missing out on a little bit from the lawn care side. So anyways, I hope this helps. Like I said, if you decide to implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. But if you decide you need help with further implementation, I would love to discuss things with you. Either way, would appreciate your feedback. You have a good day. Bye-bye.